Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the dollar days. I know we still got about 6 days left, but we have the new dollar days starting April 23rd. Let me be clear, April 23rd through May 6th. And there's a few different ones that I haven't seen. So we'll go through them. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's just go ahead and jump in. Happy Friday, Harbros and Harbroettes. And let's just go ahead and jump in. These are going to be April 23rd through May 6th. May the 4th be with you. Starting with the KN95 masks, 2-pack, not Shakur. Your choice of color, white or black, $1, 37% off. Then we have Storehouse in the house cable ties, 100 pack. Your choice of color, black or white. For some reason, the black one is longer than the white one. $1, $2. 49% off. Great deal. Then we have the super strong quick setting epoxy. This one I don't think I've seen. Super strong quick setting epoxy, $1, 44% off compared to JB Weld. So I have heard of JB Weld. 2,200 reviews. And let's see what people are working with. Worked as promised, was quick and easy to use. Look at that. You can tell that they fixed little Buddha's arm. Is that little Buddha with some lotus? 2-part epoxy is useful for quick fixes, whatever works. Plastic frame holding car license plate cracked. Epoxy put at crack zip ties holding it together. Wild description. Tough to read. Worked great. I used it to glue on mesquite wood handle parts to a carbon steel knife blade handle after our landscaper knocked over my wife's favorite statue. Body broke in half and one wing was broken off. And look at that. So I guess pretty straightforward. Use of epoxy bonding metal. They've used it on everything. So far, so good. All right. Super strong, quick setting epoxy. 44% off. $1. Keep going. Pittsburgh 3-inch line level. 15% off. $1. Normally $1.19 down to $1. Okay. Pittsburgh socket rail. Your choice of 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, or 1/2-inch. 49% off. $1. This might be straightforward. How are the Harbros using their socket rail? 3.8 stars. So they're not enjoying it too much. Okay for the price. I mean, that's $1. Cheapest one available. And it shows. Okay. Great deal and made well. Installed mine and now I can find my sockets. My sockets have never been well organized. Can't go wrong. So I guess if you have no organization at $1, 49% off, it's a great way to start. Not going to break the bank at all. Merlin 1/4-inch steel automotive plug for female or male. That sounds nice. Normally $249 and 19% off compared to Prime Fit. Then we have the Storehouse electrical clip set. I feel like this can come in super handy. Electrical clip set, 28-piece, $2. Normally $299, 33% off. One of the Harbro favorites, Hallmaster ball stretch cord set, 4-piece. So you can have fun with your friends. $2, normally $3, 33% off. I'm afraid to look to see how the Harbros are using this, but we're going to check it out. Ball stretch cord set, 4-piece. Great reviews, not surprised. Okay, that makes sense. They're using it for a canopy, and it's going to be for canopy use. Not safe for work. Pretty straightforward. Then we have the Avanti 6-inch premium paint roller frame. Best quality, $2, normally $249. Hallmaster 1/2-inch forged cargo D-ring anchor, $3, normally $5, 39% off. Pittsburgh 12-inch quick release bar clamp down to $3, normally $449, 33% off. We have Merlin straight air chuck with lock-on lever for $3, normally $4, 24% off. This one's pretty clutch. If you don't have, some people just tighten by hand. Never had success with the other design type, like the belt design type, but here are the Pittsburgh oil filters pliers, $4, normally $9, 55% off. And I'm a fan of the Pliers type oil filter pliers. I have the most success with those and great reviews on this one. Look at this. Not even using it for an oil filter. Conquering arthritis with tools. Genius. Good price and works great. Yep, that's how my oil filters end up looking afterwards. I'm not trying to save them. Filter pliers work great. Great unless your oil filter is in a tight space. Okay, that's not I guess it's hard either way if they're in a hard place. I'm a mechanic from Southeast Industrial Equipment, and I think the tool is great. All right, there we go. Grip, small Honda, and Nissan filters. Pretty straightforward. But what's not straightforward is 55% off, $4. That's a great deal. I feel like that's a great deal. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Pittsburgh mechanic stethoscope, $4, also 55% off. Normally $9. We got some great dollar days going on or going to be starting. This instrument helps identify and aid the diagnosis of automotive issues. $9. And again, 4.698% recommend. Great for diagnostics. Use this tool to diagnose the sound from the serpentine belt system. Quickly found too noisy, bad idler pulleys. Use this tool to diagnose sound from a serpentine belt system. Yep. Test parking sensors. 100%. Saved me $1,000 in sensors. Diagnosed the chafed wire harness for one sensor. Fixed it for free. No dealership required. Good. All right. There you go. Great deal. $4? That's great. Chicago Electric 30-watt lightweight soldering iron, $4, 33% off. That's straightforward. Warrior security bit set, 33-piece, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Franklin vacuum storage bags, 4-pack, $5, normally $8, 37% off. And look at this. HFT stainless steel tweezer set, 6-piece, $5, normally $7, 28% off. We will do a deep dive into these because you never know. It seems clear what you might need some tweezers for, but here, get pinpoint accuracy with the stainless steel tweezers set, $7. Great reviews. And look at this. Hey, well, that's a great deal. Great buy for what I needed. Needed this product to help me weed my circuit projects, making vinyl decals and irons on designs for t-shirts. Great tools to do small projects. Great kit for detailing my 3D prints. Okay. Quality set of tweezers for the price. Saved my life. Had a rock stuck down in my spark plug hole. And after about 4 hours of fighting it, used this kit plus a bunch of other tools. Got the rock out. Fixed the foo bar. Tiny grabbers. Tweezer for every need. Yep. All right. Pretty straightforward. Teasers. Teasers are something else. Be careful. Tweezers. $5, 28% off, down from $7. We have central pneumatic 1/4-inch MPT air regulator with gauge, $6, normally $7, 14% off. Greenwood garden hose quick connect disconnect 6-piece, $6, 24% off. Compared to what is that? 6-pack. Warrior 6-inch general purpose bimetal reciprocating saw blade set, 12-pack, $7, normally $10, 29% off. And then the last of the dollar days, the high end of the dollar days, Pittsburgh pry bar set, 3-piece, 29% off, $7, normally $10. That sounds like 30% to me. These are different looking pry bars. Move heavy machinery in tight spaces with this pry bar set. Yeah, I'm just not used to seeing this type of pry bar. I'm sure the Harbros know. The Harbros are the Harbros. Decent reviews, 4.6. Problem solver, time saver. Great set, used at least 2 on a car front suspension, made the job quicker, saved my hands, fingers, and screwdrivers. They're okay for the most part. Need something to pry up on a bonded seal, automatic transmission. All right, hook end poorly made. They're okay for the most part. Weak tool is not too bad, but using inferior metal. Is there weak link? All right, inferior metal, but this is where we check Pittsburgh warranty. Lifetime warranty. So it's a lifetime warranty. If it breaks, go in and get your warranty. Get another one. Even better yet, it's only $7, down from $10. And then another Harbro non-innuendo favorite, the battery operated liquid transfer pump, $7, normally $14. I don't know if that's accurate. Maybe that went up in price, but $7, 49% off is a great deal. Requires 2D batteries sold separately. Let's see what the Harbros are using this for. I mean, it seems straightforward. Pump 5 to 6 quarts of fluid per minute, including gasoline, diesel, oil, with this versatile transfer pump. Ooh, 86%. So let's see, leak as much as it pumps. Okay, not good. It'll pump automatic trans fluid. This pump saved me cost of a new toilet. Great use. Check your 5-gallon can. Easy fuel transfer. Genius use here. Didn't you have to take it off of the gas can? Amazing little battery operated pump. Great to drain and fill fish tank. No mess. Harbor freight bucket. I'm pretty sold on it. Make sure you'll be able to fit the pump on your gas can. Extremely handy to have around. And that is why it's a Harbro favorite. Down to $7, 49% off. And then last but not least, the cordless micro engraver with diamond tipped ballpoint, $8, 33% off. This is from Warrior. Normally $12 compared to general tool. And what are people engraving with it? Let's see. Easy to handle and control. Micro engraver uses precision ground bit with diamond point tip. Look at their engraving glass or some dog tags. Let's see what they're doing. Great tool, but drains batteries. I love the tool. It pairs great with the etching tool I have, but I have to change batteries about every hour. That's nuts, but beautiful art. Easy way to control in a small area. Okay, nice. Some serial numbers. Great tool. Wanting for a while. Watch the video. Handy little tool in memory of 9th and 10th. Better to have 2 pairs of batteries. Okay, sounds like you need some extra pairs of batteries. Look, they're engraving some tags. Okay, the Harbros find great uses for it. And, well, those are the dollar days starting again, not until April 23rd, but we have some new ones. I feel like this dollar day has infused some freshness into the dollar days in tools that I haven't seen before. But Harbros, of course, you guys correct me, you guys and gals, but I feel like we have a good set of dollar days. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Harbros and Harbroettes. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. I'm finishing up the Harbro Build-A-Bag video. It's taking a little bit more to edit, but I'm finishing that up. It'll come out hopefully in the next few days, and then we're going to try to give that bag away. And then we'll hopefully, if it's a successful video, we can do another Build-A-Bag. Try out some new ideas. Anyways, I'll leave it again at that, Harbros. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.